Hello and welcome to the I Am channel. My name is Ibrahim Mustafa and I am here to serve you and to give you the best. And if you are new to this channel, please just subscribe to this channel to help inspire me to do more videos. Or you can also share this to your friends and families to get to watch. But most importantly, use the knowledge that I'm going to share with you to benefit your life. So today, what am I going to do? I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF document to a Word document without any software. You can do this on your phone, you can do this wherever you are and you have access to the net. You can just do that without any software or without any hassle. And you can use this method to do a lot of interiors and to help in your career and your conversion businesses. If you're also doing transcription, it can help like data entry, it can help to do. So first thing you do is you go to the Google platform, then you type in on the search bar, I love PDF. So once you type I love PDF, the website is actually I love PDF.com, as simple as it is. But if you don't know, just type I love PDF. It's going to open an interface like this. So here you can do a lot of things. You can split a PDF, you can merge a PDF, you can compress PDF, you can do PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, edit PDF, PDF to JPEG to images, JPEG to PDF. You can do all of this here on ilovepdf.com. This has helped me a lot in my candle publishing and my interiors and even my career documentations. So what we need to do is first of all to go to PDF to Word. And you don't need, the funny thing is that you don't need to even log in or sign up. You just need to just come onto the website and click on PDF to Word. We are converting a PDF to a Word document. So we click on PDF to Word. Then it will open a dialog box here, select PDF file. So it gives you the opportunity, you can select it from your Google Drive, or you can select it from your Dropbox, or even from your computer. So my document is on my laptop, desktop. So we just go to our desktop and we bring that document. So we want to do this, convert this document, PDF to Word document, money affirmations. So I'm just clicking on it and to open it. So once you open it, it will show you the PDF that you have. If you are certain that that is the title of it, then you can go ahead to, on your right, there's a converting, just convert it here, convert to Word, as simple as it is. Once I click on this, it's going to convert. I'm waiting for it. I don't need to even download it. It will download automatically. So it's going to convert it to an editable file, Word document. So you can edit it. And here we have our document, which is the money affirmation. So this is the document we have. So if I enable editing, you can see that you can edit it, ready to edit, and it will help your business. So this is actually good for data entry and stuff. And you can do a lot of this website. It's free of charge. So if you believe that I'm actually adding value to you, because I believe in you and I want you to succeed in life, may you succeed in life. So just share this video, keep watching all my videos. You can also just subscribe to it, to like it, so that anytime I upload a video, you can get to watch it. If you also want me to do any video for you, because this video was requested by somebody, if you also want me to do any video on how to make uh, money, how to like basic hacks, just send it in the comment below. Thank you. I believe in you. I believe that we'll meet again in my next video.